So we are on our way back, but unfortunately, I did not tie the knot on properly and the dinghy has come free. So after making it about an hour and a half down the river, we have now turned around to try and find the lost dinghy, which we've been looking for the last half hour, and no luck. I am an idiot and didn't tie the dinghy on properly, and I am very angry, and I don't even know what to say. I'm too angry. Chat.
No. No.
I don't think it drifted that far, but I was on my way back up to Okeechobee, so.
I was gonna take it up to the marina right there.
Holy hell, between the bridges.
I knew someone was missing.
You need to look back every now and again, you think, right? You guys are...
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, I saw you guys looking. I think that's got to be the one that's
You guys look like people that are perpetually lost or have lost.
Oh, we had lost all hope.
Y'all have a good one.
Thank you, thank you.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Holy shit.
We are hitting the bottom. Raising the rudders to try and get out of here. We are stuck. It's too shallow. We are off course. So excited we found our dinghy. Not paying attention.
Honestly, I may just have to get out and like push us off.
We are this far off course with the other boat, and we are stuck.
You can come over here and hold the dinghy out of the way.
Okay.
We're towing the lock. This is westbound catamaran.
Sister, turn the lock, stand by for green light, have your light post on, be prepared to tie out port side, I'll get to you as soon as I can.
Roger that, thank you. Out.
And that's how you call the locks.
Very efficient.
Why, what'd she say?
She was just like on it, like, I'll get, proceed when you have a green light.
Because it's
Prepare for
4:30 and
portside docking.
Sunday, and
I'll
she
get you
wants
in
to
when
be
I
out of
can.
there.
Yeah, she was on it.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting nervous. Oh, this is the coolest thing ever.